Hello, fellow learners of Thai. Please excuse my beetroot face today. I was out walking, shooting a video for my other channel yesterday. Without a hat, it was quite hot and I got a sunburnt face. Today's video is a bit different to what I usually do. I have two young children who go to Thai schools and they get a lot of homework. When I went to school, I didn't start doing homework until high school. Here, they're given homework as soon as they go to kindergarten. My wife's an art teacher. She's not very good at maths. She helps them with their Thai and social studies. I, of course, help them with their English, and I also help them with their maths. And I was always quite good at maths at school. And if the questions are like this one in number 4, which is just a straightforward calculation, that's very easy. I can do it very easily, and I'm confident that I can teach them how to do it. However, a lot of the questions, more than half, are in written form, and that presents a bit more of a challenge. As I've said previously in videos, once you go beyond the level of menus and signs, and that level is quite easy, you can get to that level within 6 months if you put in some effort. There's a huge step after that to get to the level of books, magazines and newspapers. One reason is the formal vocabulary. Written Thai uses formal vocabulary, and everyday spoken Thai uses informal vocabulary. So you come across a lot of words that you don't know the meaning of, and also the grammar structure makes it quite difficult to understand. So I've read sentences before, and I understand the meaning of every word, but I don't actually understand the meaning of the sentence. So I'm just going to go through a couple of examples today. Not this example, I'll do other examples. And then if you want, you can come back to this example and see if you can do it by yourself, and leave me a comment below. Here are the two examples, and they're both to do with percentages. I'll just go through it with you, and say if you want to, you can go back to that previous example and try to go through it yourself. So, ran shop. Furniture is the English word furniture, transliterated into Thai. Kai, sell. Tiang non, which is a bed. Raka, price, 16,200 baht. So the furniture shop sells beds for 16,200 baht. Dai gamrai 35%. Now, dai can have two meanings. It can mean can, in the sense of ability, or it can mean to get, to receive. And gamrai is profit. So they sell the beds at 16,200 baht, and they make a profit of 35%. So Ran furniture, the furniture shop. Long ton. Long ton is to invest.ซื้อ, buy. Tiang non. Raka, price. Tao rai, how much. So if they want to sell the beds at 16,200 baht, and they want to make a profit of 35%, how much do they need to buy the beds for? So I've just done the it's not really relevant, the calculation, to reading Thai, but I've just done it here at the bottom if you want to see the calculation. On to the second example, and ran, car. And that's basically the same meaning as ran. It just means shop. Tit, to stick. Raka, price. Phai chai. And in England, we call one of these things a torch, and in the States they say flashlight, phai chai. And the next word, grabok, is the classifier for torch. And this is an added complication with Thai. In English, we have classifiers for uncountable nouns. You don't go into a shop and say, can I have a milk? You ask for a bottle of milk, or a carton of milk, or a glass of milk. In Thai, all nouns, regardless of whether they are countable or uncountable, have classifiers. And for each noun, you need to remember the classifier. It's like in some European languages, you need to remember the article for the noun, like in German, der, die, or das. And in other languages, you need to remember whether the noun is masculine, feminine, or neutral. In Thai, you need to remember the classifiers for the nouns. So, Phai Chai Grabok Nung is like one torch, one flashlight, and that's 950 baht. Kai Hai Lukka. So, sell to customer. Customers Lukka. Kai is to sell. Hokroi Bad Baht, 608 baht. So they actually sell it for a price less than the sticker price as a discount. So round car, lot raka. So the shop lot is to reduce raka price, gi %. Okay, so they normally these torches or flashlights sell for 950. Currently they're selling them for 608. So how much reduction in price is that as a percentage? And again, percent is the English word that's been transliterated into Thai. And once again, I've done the calculation above if you're interested in the calculation. But for the purpose of this video, we're not really interested in the maths. We're just interested in the Thai language. If you're wondering what I do with my time in Thailand, I spend quite a lot of my time helping kids with their homework like this, as well as doing laundry and jobs around the house. It's a really exciting life I lead in Thailand. Well, thanks for watching. If you want to, have a go at that previous question. Let me have any comments, questions, or other feedback below.